So now we will look at how Ruby does loops. Loops go through either arrays or hashes and carry out code on each of the values within them. So the basic structure of a loop starts with for, then you invent a loop variable name that becomes each value in the array or hash, followed by the word in, followed by the array or hash variable name. Indent the next line and say what you want the loop to do. In this example, we will just print the newly created loop variable named turkey to the screen each time it goes through the turkey prices hash. At the end of the loop statement in Ruby, you write end, hit run, and it prints all of the keys and values of the hash. Let's change puts to print to see the difference in how it displays, and there it is. So now let's see how we can apply the tax function we made to the loop so that we can calculate all of the prices of turkey plus tax at each store all at once. So we add tax in front of the turkey variable and enclose that variable within round brackets, hit run, and we get a list of all the turkey prices plus tax, as we had the dot values attached to the turkey prices variable so that only the values of the hash were considered. Now we will look at how we can combine loops and conditionals. So say we want to go through all of the values in the turkey prices hash and print whether each price is a good deal or too expensive. So we start out writing the loop the same way as before, except on the second line we have an if statement applied to the loop variable named turkey, and so anytime the turkey variable is set to a value in the hash less than $16.99, on the third line we tell it to print good deal. On the next line we have the else statement, then on the next line we write to print too expensive. Then once we're finished writing the conditional statements, we write end that is indented to align with the if and else statements, and then on the line after that we write end again in alignment with the for statement to indicate that we're finished writing the loop. Hit run and it prints out which grocery stores have good deals and which ones are too expensive. So lastly, we will look at how you can use loops to count items in an array or hash. So before you write the for loop statement, you need to create a variable name set to an initial value of 0. Then after the for loop statement, you write on the next line that you want the loop to take that variable name and set it equal to that variable equal to 0 plus 1. So each time through the loop, 1 will be added on to the total turkey sellers variable. Once you're finished writing the statement, write end on the next line to confirm that that's all the loop needs to do. Then to print the results of the screen, write either puts or print followed by the total turkey sellers variable, except in this case we'll make it look more sophisticated by adding in a string that reminds us what the number represents. And remember, when we're joining a number to a string in Ruby, we need to add .to_s. So we hit run and it prints total stores selling turkey 7.